boat going somewhere to Pender. That's where we're going.
Our journey began on the water. Amber and I are setting out on a long trip across the country, so a weekend with the parents is what we need before we go. This is Pambili, my family's 45-foot catamaran, our home for many journeys. Where are we?
We're on Pender Island. Pender's Island.
Yeah, Pender Island.
And we're hiking, and I'm dying.
No, you're not.
And
You're doing okay.
And it's really pretty.
Yeah. What do you think about the view behind you?
It's pretty, but we can't see the ocean right now.
Uh-huh. You're saying that the trees aren't valid?
They are pretty, but it's also very pretty when there's the trees and the ocean.
Uh-huh. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. We continued our hike to the top of Mount Norman, a great little viewpoint that looks over Vancouver Island and many of the other Gulf Islands.
Same video.
Yeah. Okay, so what did we do today?
Today, I kayaked to, I don't remember the name, at 4.6 kilometers. I'm strong. Woo. And then we went to get ice cream and groceries. And then, Cam started to write a song this morning. And we went back to the boat, and now we're playing pickleball. And I'm gonna go swimming, and then we're gonna go back to the boat and eat food.
What are we eating?
Pasta? Are we eating pasta? Yeah. We're eating pasta.
We returned on our boat back home, and we were ready to hit the road.